The BCCI is looking at a window in June end to start isolation camp for the cricketers. The BCCI said that they are hopeful of a camp in the second half of June if things keep on improving and travel restrictions are also eased. Once BCCI is sure of the venue, the players will be informed. So those are the latest updates coming in with the BCCI. They're gearing up to start the isolation camps at this point. The BCCI saying that perhaps they could start the isolation camps by June end, and they will inform the players once a camp venue is fixed. And the isolation camp is expected to be operational in the second half of June. The BCCI, they're saying that they are hopeful that the camp is in the second half of June, provided things keep on improving and the travel restrictions are also eased. And once those decisions are taken, the BCCI said that they are sure of the venue. They will then inform the players accordingly. So BCCI, they're currently looking at a window somewhere in June end to start the isolation camp for the cricketers. Let me go across to my colleague Karishma for further updates on this. Karishma, can you take us through the details coming in? How is this entire process going to be taken up with the BCCI now gearing up to perhaps start isolation camps at the end of June?
Well, yes, absolutely. That is what the BCCI is planning, depending upon the situation that prevails in the country. But the BCCI is hopeful that the situation in the coming days is going to improve in the country. And by the end of June, they are going to be able to pull off an isolation camp for all the contracted cricketers in the country. The National Cricket Academy in Bangalore is one option that the BCCI has discussed. There are other states that are being, discussed, but there are problems like some specific states have travel restrictions, some states have monsoons approaching. So all of those things will be kept in mind before BCCI will, put its stamp on one venue for all the players to start the isolation camp. And first and foremost will be the safety of the players and the staff that will be involved in this isolation camp. So BCCI, when it's 100% sure that a particular venue, even if it's NCA, is 100% safe for all the players, and an isolation camp can happen here, and if a bio bubble is required, that can be pulled off here, then that will happen. But the BCCI is very closely monitoring the situation, and in the second half of June, it is expected that BCCI will make some progress in the isolation camps that have been planned for cricketers once they resume training in a post-COVID world.
All right, Karishma, appreciate you joining us and bringing us all those updates.